With Microsoft Teams, on the left-hand side, you have activity. So when you receive a message or you have been mentioned or someone has replied to a message that you have posted, you will see a little notification, a little red tag on activity. When you click on activity, you will see that you have feed and my activity. Feed is whichever team you are mentioned in, or if you have replied to something, it will appear on my activity. On chats, you have your one-on-one chats. Here you can have your recent, and then you can have your contacts. A great suggestion would be to create groups. So if I go create a new contact group and I type technical, and create, and under technical I say add a contact to this group. I type Colin. Creating groups makes it easier for us to start communicating with the directed person. For example, I can send Ashley a message from the admin team and I can say, hi Ash. This allows us to search quicker within your contacts group, and also allows us to communicate more efficiently and effectively. Within your chats, you have your different tabs. This is the person that you have been chatting with. This is your communications, your chats that you've been having. Any files that have been shared amongst you appears within your files folder. Organization, depending on the hierarchy of the organization and how it's been set up, you will see that it appears within your organization tab. Activity, if there's any activity, if George has been busy with anything in particular, it appears here. George, you've been very quiet. Let's go back to Ashley. You can see Ashley's been quite busy on Teams. He's given praises. He's replied to projects. So this is where you can view all the activities of a specific person. You can create more tabs that you need to amongst the two of yourselves. You can search for applications. So for example, if I need to search for a planner, you can search your planner, you can open it, and you can pin it to that tab. Within your chat window, you have a little Microsoft Word document template. If you click on this compose box, it'll just be your message to send. If you click on it again, it expands and you can format your text, bold, italic. You can add links as well. You can insert tables, so you can type out an entire message, or similar to what you would do in an email. If the message is urgent, you can set it to urgent, and this means that the person will receive a notification every 2 minutes for 20 minutes until the person responds to it. Standard will just be a normal standard message, and important, it will be marked as important. Attachment, you can either upload it from OneDrive or you could upload it from your computer, depending on what the user requires or what you are working on. For example, let's go here, templates, let's click that, let's click share. You can add emoticons, can add GIFs, because who doesn't like to have some fun? You can add stickers, you can even schedule a meeting with this person. You can add a stream video. I know normally every second Friday of the month we have Friday meetings with all the directors and the entire staff, and we record these meetings for those that are late, those that are absent, and those that cannot join the meeting. When it's available in streams, you can post it to your team or to the person that you're chatting to. Give praise. Everybody loves praise, especially for a job well done. So you can give praise to that person for a job well done, or whatever the situation is. And then you have more options to add more applications. Once you've done that and you're happy with your message, you can click send.